This guide will help you set up a Workspot cloud desktop pool on Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Begin in Workspot Control by going to Resources, then Cloud Desktop Pools, and click Add Pool. Choose GCP for your cloud configuration. Next, select your pool usage type and desktop pool type, followed by choosing a template. Then select the appropriate GCP region for your needs. Continue by selecting your Virtual Private Cloud (VPC) and the corresponding subnet. Choose the VM class that suits your requirements, as well as the disk class and size. Enter a name for your desktop pool and set a pool display name. Specify the number of desktops you need and provide a desktop name. Adjust any optional configurations as needed, making sure to choose a gateway configuration. Keep the rest of the settings as default. To complete the process, click on Create.